It's a new 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, remote engine start smart device, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and heated leather bucket seats. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.